Why do Arabs sometimes say fi and other times say ʿind? In English, these ideas are expressed with there is and have, but Arabic uses them differently. So what's the rule? By the end of the lesson, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's start with fi. We use fi when something exists. Think of it like there is or there are in English. If you are simply saying that something exists, use fi. For example, في سيارة برا. There is a car. في سيارة برا. في مطعم قريب. There is a restaurant. في مطعم قريب. في مشكلة. في مشكلة. في وقت. في وقت. Notice something? Every example we just saw is talking about something that exists. A car, a restaurant, a problem, they are all things that are there. That's why we use fi. And now let's look at ʿind. We use ʿind when talking about having something. Think of it like have or has in English. If a person possesses something, use ዐind. For example, عندي سيارة. I have. عنده وقت. He has. عندها مشكلة. She has. عندك سؤال? Do you have? Notice something? Every example is about someone having something, a car, a time, a question. They are all things that belong to someone. That's why we use ዐind. So how do we know which one to choose? The rule is actually very simple. Ask yourself one question. Am I talking about something that exists or about someone having something? If it exists, use fi. If someone has it, use ዐind. For example, can I say عند سيارة بكرة? Wrong. في سيارة برا. برا عفوا, not بكرة. في سيارة برا. Can I say في سيارة? Wrong. عندي سيارة. I have a car. These are the mistakes learners make most often. في مشكلة. Wrong. عند مطعم هون. Wrong. فيك سيارة. Wrong. في وقت. Wrong. عندي مشكلة. في مطعم هون. عندك سيارة. عندي وقت. So before speaking, ask yourself existence or possessions. That one question will help you choose the correct word almost every time. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I'll give you a sentence, you choose fi or ዐind. Don't translate word for word. First decide, am I talking about existence or possession? Then choose the correct answer. Let's begin. I have a car. Which one, ዐind or fi? عندي سيارة. There is a car outside. في سيارة. Do you have time? عندك وقت? There is a problem. في مشكلة. He has a question. عنده سؤال. There is a hospital nearby. في hospital nearby. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.